What's up, everybody? Welcome back to M28 Small Engine Repair. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you my first step in diagnosing pretty much all of my small engine repair. Today, I got a generator that's coming back from a customer that is in a no-start condition. I actually worked on this probably about 3 months ago, maybe a little bit longer. And I think he put it under his house or somewhere like that. It was wet, damp, and he ended up having to have foot surgery, and it's set. And so now we're at a place to where it won't start. So first thing I do is always check the oil. It's good practice. Make sure you've got oil in your small engine, because sometimes that can be the problem. So first step, check the oil. Second step, which is what I want to show you today, is starter fluid. Not everybody uses it, but I do. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the breather cover off, spray a little bit of this in, and we're going to see if this is a fuel issue or if it's an electrical issue. All right, so we're down here at the breather cover. Pop this off real quick. Now remember, the only thing we're trying to do is just determine if it has spark, and if it is a fuel issue, which I'm going to tell you, that looks rough. It's definitely been sitting a good bit. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to spray some starting fluid in there. That. So that's one of the big reasons why I wanted to show you this, because oftentimes you may not necessarily need to take your generator or your small engine to the local small engine repair shop. Sometimes what happens is, you know, if something comes up, live comes up, you're not getting able to start these things. There's some fuel that's starting to go bad in the carburetor just from it not being ran, and it only holds just a little bit. And so what happens is that fuel starts to go bad and it won't start. But once you put the starting fluid in, it just gives it enough kick, and then it runs and it clears up. And what you would do from there is you would drain the gas or change the gas out. You may could even run it, just run all the gas out if it wasn't running too bad, and then put fresh gas in, and it would more than likely clear up. You can see this was surging just a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and clean the carburetor on this for the customer and clean out the gas, put new gas in. He's going to be good to go, but it's super important that you stabilize your fuel, use non-ethanol fuel, and try to run these things at least once a month. When you do that, they're going to work for you. But in this case, that's why I always go to check your oil, and then I go straight to starting fluid and see where we're at. And on this one was easy. Hope it works for you. See you next time.